Good morning students. I am solving the exercise 2.1 of chapter polynomials. I am attending question number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons of your answer. So I am giving the solution of first part. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. 4x square minus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial in one variable, because this polynomial is expressed in terms of x. Now I am giving second y square plus 2 plus under root 2. So it is a polynomial in one variable. So it is the whole number. In both polynomials, the powers of variable is a whole number. I am attending third part. 3 under root t plus t under root 2. We may write in this manner: 3 t raised to power 1 by 2 plus t under root 2. So the power of variable is not a whole number, so that is why we can say it is not a polynomial. Variable, the exponent of variable t is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. Fourth part, y plus 2 upon y. We can write in this manner: y power 1 plus 2y power minus 1. So that is why the exponent of y, it is in this polynomial, the second term, the exponent of y is not a whole number. So that is why we can say it is not a polynomial. Fourth part, it is a polynomial in three variables. X, y and t are different variables, so we can say this polynomial in three variables. In this manner we can classify the polynomial or not polynomial. Now I am attending question number 2. Now I am attending question number 2 of exercise 2.1 chapter polynomial. So I am giving a solution of a part. 2 plus x square plus x. So first of all, polynomial should be arranged in standard form. It means x square plus x plus 2. But I want to calculate the coefficient of x square in this polynomial. So first of all, we like terms x square comma x comma 2. But I want to calculate the coefficient of x square in x square plus x plus 2 is 1. The coefficient, it is the coefficient of x square. Okay, so now I am attending second part. 2 minus x square plus x cube. We write in standard form x cube minus x square plus 2. Then terms x cube minus x square 2. So therefore the coefficient of x square in x cube minus x square plus 2 is minus 1. So we can write minus 1. So it is the coefficient. It is the coefficient of x square minus 1. Now I am attending third part. Pi by 2 x square plus x times pi by 2 x square comma x. It is the coefficient. So the coefficient of x square in pi by 2 x square plus x is pi by 2. Fourth part, root 2x minus 1. We can write in this manner 0 into x square plus root 2x minus 1. So the coefficient of x square in root 2x minus 1 is 0. It is the coefficient. So we can find out the coefficient of x square in the given polynomials. I am attending question number 3rd. Now I am attending question number 3rd of exercise 2.1 chapter 2 polynomials. I am giving a solution. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35. It means x 35 plus 7. It is the 7x. It is the polynomial. And second example, and of a monomial of degree 100. It means under root 2 x 100. It is a monomial. So these are the example of binomial and monomial. Binomial polynomial containing only two terms, and monomial only have a one term. So that's why we can write in this manner. Now I am attending question number 4. Now I am giving a solution of question number 4 of exercise 2.1 chapter polynomials. So I am attending first part. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. So what do you mean by degree? Degree is the highest power of the polynomial. It means in this section we can write in this manner: 5x3 plus 4x2 plus 7x power 1. So highest power is 3. Therefore degree of 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x equal to 3. Attending second part, 4 minus y square. We can write in standard form minus y square plus 4. So the highest degree is 2. So degree of 4 minus y square equal to 2. Third part, 5t minus 2. So we can write in this manner minus 2. So the highest degree is 1. Therefore the degree of 5t minus 2 is 1. Fourth part, 3. We can write in this manner 3x raised to 0, since x raised to power 0 equal to 1. So we can write in this form 3 into 1 or 1 converted into x0. So it is the highest power. So therefore the degree of 3 is 0. So we can find out the degree of these given polynomials. So now I am attending question number 5. Now I am attending question number 5 of exercise 2.1 chapter polynomials. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So first of all you should be well known about the term linear. Linear, it means the degree is 1, quadratic degree 2, cubic degree 3. So I am giving a solution. First part, x square plus x. First of all you should be well known about this polynomial is a binomial. It contains only two terms, but highest degree is 2. So that is why it is a quadratic polynomial. Second, x minus x cube. You write in standard form x cube plus x. So the highest degree is 3. Therefore it is a cubic polynomial. It is also binomial. Third part, y plus y square plus 4. You write in standard form y square plus y plus 4. It is the highest degree. Therefore it is a quadratic polynomial. But this polynomial contains 3 terms. So that is called trinomial, but have a highest degree is 2. Now I am returning fourth part. 1 plus x. You write in standard form x plus 1. Having a degree 1. Therefore, it is a linear polynomial. Fifth part. 3t. Highest degree 1. Therefore, it is a linear polynomial. Sixth part, r square, it means degree 2, it is a quadratic. Now I am returning seventh part. Seventh part, 7x cube. It contains 3 degree. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. In this way, we can classify linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials. So, now I will discuss new exercise 2.2 in the next lecture. Rest is okay.